All right, guys, in this video, we are going to go over one of many examples of ways that Bobby used to deceive you investors into investing in his TexitCoin project. This is for you guys that are already in it to help convince you to file a complaint. For those of you that are looking into Iskander, this is a big red flag. Bobby has a history of doing things like this, and you cannot trust anything he says in his video calls. In hindsight, guys, it's 2020. Back on August or October 21st, he did this live video here, and he shared some information with you guys and told you what he was going to do. Fast forward till today, in February 2026, has he done these things? Well, what is it that we're about to talk about? We're going to let Bobby speak for himself and see what it is that he had to say to swindle you investors into investing in TexitCoin. Let's see what he says. And keep in mind, guys, the text is going to be right here, which we will scroll through as he speaks.
We've already acquired a couple properties. We've already acquired Bismarck. This is where we do all of our shipping and fulfillment. We've already acquired land in Victoria. This is where the mine built. We've already acquired property now in Kinney. That's our headquarters. We've already acquired property in Galveston, which we use as kind of an executive retreat and a launch point for meetings, and Houston city development. So we've already acquired the properties. And if you guys are okay with it, I'm going to bring the receipts back to you as I always do. I'm going to show you which properties we acquired. I'm going to show you appraised values on there. I'm going to show you receipts for wire transfers that we've used to pay for that. And if you guys like me, and if you guys trust me, and you believe that I will liquidate or borrow against those properties, if and when necessary, to continue to provide liquidity to support our market, we're going to move forward with the properties, at least as tranche number 5.
All right, you guys got that. I want you to key in on him liquidating or taking loans against those properties for this trudge number 5. So what is this trudge number 5? Well, this is the path of 16, the key thing that they use to help convince you guys to invest. And you guys are now saying you've been swindled. But this trudge number 5 are all these properties. Currently, Bobby is sitting on $7 million worth of properties. In this video clip here, he said, hey, if you like me, if you trust me and believe that I will liquidate or borrow against these properties if and when necessary to continue to provide liquidity to support our market. He has not done that, guys. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at the market. This has been going on for months. He did this video back in October, right toward the end of October. The price was up. And look at this. The problem with this, guys, is that he has not used these properties to support the price. Is this obvious? Are you guys catching this? Now, if these properties were liquidated or loans were taken against them at this point, I would look back and say, okay, well, at least he used that money in these properties to help support the price. But if he's still sitting on all these properties, which he is, guys, how is that supporting the price? The same thing goes with these cryptos. Notice, guys, that he's still holding a lot of these cryptos. All of this is supposed to be used for liquidity. Very little of it has been. And he even mentioned in another video how the liquidity had already been burned out. And at that time, he was sitting on all of this. You know, he hadn't even spent a single dime out of any of these assets. So you guys ask yourself the question, can you believe what Bobby is saying in these videos? Understand, and understand clearly, guys. Bobby wants your money, and right now since they can't invest in TexitCoin, they will be moving forward with this Iskander project, this Iskander Coin or whatever, in Dubai. So all hands are going to be on deck to bring in more money for that. But trust me, guys, he's going to run the same game with the Iskander Coin that he's doing with TexitCoin. Do your research on this guy, and you're going to discover that if you deal with him, you're going to get burned. I'm not going to go into much more because I have a ton of videos out there already that are verifying and proving that this guy is a straight up scammer. So all of you guys that are promoting it, I surely hope you get implicated with Bobby Gray and this scam that he's pushing out. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Let Bobby enjoy his good life while he can at your expense. And again, if you are invested in TexitCoin, and if there's any hope that you have of getting your money back, do not sit and listen to these lies that they're pushing in these Zoom calls. Go out, file a complaint with your state's Securities Board, and you might have to go to the Secretary of State, depending on which state you live in, and complain about this project so these guys can work together and help you recoup your money. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. We will holler on the next one. Peace out.